Welcome to this module. In this module, we are going to consider the PERC panels, the passivated emitter and rear solar panels. There are basically the half-cut or half-cell solar panels. There are the improvements of the conventional monocrystalline solar panels, only that their efficiency is higher than that of the conventional monocrystalline solar panels because of the passivated layer that you see here. If you look at the normal monocrystalline solar panel, you will notice that there is no passivation layer in the conventional monocrystalline solar panel. The PERC have the passivation layer. So we are going to look at some of the characteristics of the PERC solar panels. Among the characteristics of the PERC panel is that there have the passivation layer at the rear surface, as can be clearly seen here. This is what gives rise to the high efficiency in the PERC solar panels. There are still the mono panels because of the manufacturing process. They are made of single crystals, but with the help of the passivation layer, the efficiency is greatly improved. The PERC panels allow greater solar energy collection in a smaller footprint. That means the space used during installation to mount the PERC solar panels will be greatly reduced because of its high efficiency as compared to the conventional solar panel. That is, we need a smaller physical footprint for the installation of these solar panels. The amount of solar radiation that get absorbed with PERC solar panel is much. That means that there's no reflection because light energy striking on this surface will get absorbed in the process, and there will be more absorption in the process. We move to another type of the monocrystalline solar panel, which is the CVP solar panel. Here is a picture of the CVP solar panel, as can be seen here. So we want to take a closer look at some of the characteristics what make the CVP solar panel the most efficient solar panel. So we move to the characteristics of the CVP solar panels. There are the most efficient solar panels because of the mirror and curve surface on this particular type of solar panel. So They have curved mirror, as I have already said. They have curved mirror surfaces, lenses, and cooling system. That is what contributes to the high efficiency of this solar panel. There are incorporated with solar tracker that follows the sun direction. When you are talking about the solar tracker will move in proportion to the sun rays. That means as the sun is moving, the solar tracker will keep moving the solar panel so that it receives maximum insolation all day long as far as there is sun. So those are some of the characteristics that help us differentiate the monocrystalline solar panels, that is the conventional monocrystalline solar panels, the CVP solar panels, and the passivation solar panels. We move to the next type of solar panel in our list. Happy listening.